Head solomo with celery. Head solomo, celery, onion, tomato, green chilies, carrot, nor, black pepper.
Guys, I prepare oil first. Oil for this menu. Alright. And after onion. Wow! Ang bango, mga kaibigan. Ito ang pagluto ng salmon na ulo. How to cook eat salmon, right? To make brown, kailangan natin i-brown siya para wow, ang bango, nice aroma. Yes. Then after ito, wow. So after carrots, dahil matigas ang carrots, kailangan unahin natin sa sulumo. At yung sulumo, madali malambot. So mga kaibigan, ito po ay kung paano sabawan sa celery. How to make soup for celery. This so it's Salmon. Okay. So add water. Yes. Only this to boil. After that the Salmon. Alright. Alright. It's boiled now. So we put flour and black pepper. Yes. Nice. And we put now the solomo. Lagay ng solomo para mabilis. Alright. Then cover for 3 minutes only and put the celery and green pepper. So ilagay natin pagkatapos yan ang green pepper at saka celery. Okay. Okay. Open. And put now say celery. All the steam of celery. Lahat. Wow, oh, so bright, it's full. And chili green together. So bring to sobra over. Okay, i-check natin kung okay na yung sulo mo. Wow! Nice. So it's okay now. It's ready. So thank you for watching and like Randy. TV or Rabbit B. Okay, thank you, thank you. Ito na po ang ating sulumo nga may celery at sili. Okay.
Randy TV.